I'm of the opinion that one shouldn't hurry in these kind of roads, and you should experience and enjoy these roads at a slower pace, at a not too fast but not too slow pace. Yeah, nice. Woo. Fresh air, fresh cool air, chilled air. And for those alcoholics, it's like drinking chilled beer or chilled beer. It's fresh cool air for me. हम तो दीवाने हैं, हम ताज़ी हवा पीते हैं. Yeah, from Altaf Raja. Popular song from Altaf Raja. And I don't know the verses after that. Beyond that, I just know हम तो दीवाने हैं, हम ताज़ी हवा लेते हैं. Extremely beautiful roads, winding roads, serpentine winding roads through the forest. So maintain a decent pace, a decent controllable pace, and you should be fine. There's a lot of movement inside my helmet, not outside. Something loose or something, some kind of a clip or a spring which is loose. Mahire, 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 mahire. Mahire, mahire, mohabbata sakhiya ve. I'm actually hungry now. I need to. I want to have a nice lunch, nice and hearty lunch. nice rural high school or school which has plenty of space to play. There's a ground right up ahead of it, and BEGS public school. Yeah, pretty neat, very neat. This is how a school should be. A school should not be a building surrounded by buildings. It should have a playground. Beautiful. And this is one of the luxuries of staying away from a city. Got a lot of space, a lot of square footage available for you. A lot of square footage available for you to be free and live like a king. Yeah. Instead of living like a mouse or a rat in a hole, you live like a king with more than enough square footage out here in the rural areas, the countryside. Now where did these guys go? Yeah. This reminds me I need to do some saddling to relax my lower back, which had taken a beating in that particular stretch. See, there is a slight bit of wobbling in my handlebar, which is not right. I don't like that. So this is where this bike thrives.